Hello friends, so welcome back. I'm here with another recipe. Today I'm making Griotte cheesecake, and this cheesecake has interesting layers of crunchy base and short crust. So let's prepare first our crunchy base. We need white chocolate. You can use any chocolate, 35%. We need roasted pistachio and water and castor sugar. So let's begin first for making praline for our crunchy base. So I'm going to add my sugar and water and let it boil. Once it starts to boil, I will add my pistachio, and simply you can roast your pistachio at 160 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the oven. So after adding the pistachio, I'm going to cook my pistachio until it covers in a white sand sugar. So let's cook it together. And it will take a little while. This is a new method actually, and most convenient, because in this method your nuts are going to be caramelized equally. So you can see it's coming to dry now, and all my pistachios are now covering in a dry sugar. So I will keep cooking it until it becomes caramelized, and it will have even layer on all the pistachios. Okay, so I will just keep cooking, and I'm cooking this on high heat actually. So you can see now it starts to take liquid type of texture. Almost there. Once it has a liquid layer on the top, remove it from the heat and put it down on the mat and let it cool down. Okay, after it cools down, you can see it looks so beautiful. I'm going to blend it in my mixer. You can use any powerful mixer with slow intervals. So I'm doing the same thing, and my praline is ready. Now I'm going to keep it aside, and I will blend the second part of my praline, and I'm going to coarsely grind them. So it will have nice texture in my base. So you can see, and now I'm going to mix it together with my melted chocolate. Okay, I'm going to combine this. And after combining these all three ingredients, I'm going to take a ring of size 14 centimeter, and after flatten it, I will put it in freezer. Now let's prepare the pistachio short crust. We need all-purpose flour, icing sugar, and grounded pistachio, 1 egg yolk of medium egg, cold butter we need, dry butter 82%, and some baking powder. So let's prepare. Okay, so now we are going to mix our cold butter with icing sugar first with paddle attachment, and I'm just going to cream the butter on number 2 speed. Let's do it slowly. Meanwhile, I will put all my dry ingredients and sift it. And after sifting, I will add this mixture into my creamed butter. We don't have to overmix this mixture. Now I'm going to add this all in one. That's it. And once it starts to take coarsely sand texture, I'm going to add my egg yolk, and then I will mix it for hardly 1 minute, and then I will put it in the freezer for 2 hours. After taking out from freezer, I'm going to roll this size of my cake ring. I'm using here again 14 centimeters, and it has to be around 1.5 centimeters, the thickness of the dough. I will roll it and then I will cut the circle. Cut this, and I will take out the extra part. And this pistachio shortcrust, you can use it for your tart mixture as well. You can bake your tarts. Now I'm going to bake this. After baking, it looks like this, and it smells divine. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on my crunchy base on the top, and I'm going to put this back in the freezer. Let's prepare our cheese mixture now. We need cream cheese, heavy cream, icing sugar, pitted cherries, gelatin, and vanilla. Okay, let's prepare. So for cherry, we are going to cook it a little bit. So it will be all mashed. You can mash it before as well, but I'm going to cook it with the vanilla, and then I'm going to blend it. So it will take nice flavor of vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to blend it. And after blending, I will add my gelatin mass here. I'm using 200 bloom gelatin mass, and I will cook it until gelatin mixes, and I will remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to beat my cream cheese. So for cheesecake, everything has to be on room temperature, okay? Now I will add all the ingredients little by little. And in this case, for the cold cheesecake, you don't have to be worried for over mixing. Okay? What you can do is you can beat your cream before for the soft cake as well, and you can follow this procedure as well. I have added my cherry puree as well, which I cooked with gelatin. And now I'm going to put this in the mold. You can even put it in the cake ring. It's up to you. Okay. So after that, I will insert the base which I have prepared before. Take it out from the freezer and put it. And that's it. We are going to freeze it overnight. Now I have prepared my glaze, the glaze recipe. You can find it in the description box. And I'm going to glaze my cake. I love my cheesecakes like this. It looks so fancy. You can see, and done. And the most favorite part is the decoration. The decorations are up to you. I have prepared the cake collar, but unfortunately I broke it. So I'm going to cover half of the cake collar, and I will see how I'm going to decorate my cake. I have prepared some chocolate leaves. I have tempered my Valrhona chocolate, and I will try to keep it simple. Maybe that's it. And here we are, the beautiful, delicious cake. And I'm sure that nobody is going to believe that this is a no-bake cheesecake. Let's cut together and see the heavenly slice of the cheesecake. And you can see all the layers. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you will enjoy the recipe as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. More recipes are coming soon. Ciao. Bye.